What's going on, y'all? I am in Dallas right now at the Dallas RV party put on by FunTown RV. Came here with some friends that we had hung out with at the Eclipse rally recently, and I just thought this would be a lot of fun to come out and tour some RVs. Unfortunately, the family is not with me at the moment because our girls got, they're feeling ill after getting together with a bunch of other kids. I'm not surprised that that happened. So, but we're gonna go around here. I'm gonna see if there's any new bunkhouses that I think I should share with y'all, and if I do find some, then I will totally do a video independently on those specific bunkhouses. But for the rest of the time, we'll just make this a vlog and have some fun. Look at this place. It's huge.
I was just so bored.
Checking out a Wildwood dual suite. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, yeah.
Secret storage.
It's a great layout.
I like it a lot. So roomy.
Towards the middle, just a little, yeah, just a little snug. But I'm 6'3", so.
Wow, that's impressive. That's pretty nice.
How tall is Brooklyn? It is Brooklyn, right?
Oh, yeah, sheets.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Thanks.
No problem.
Chris River's been fooling everybody by having the bunk rooms be hidden.
Okay.
Look at that kitchen.
They didn't know that there was a bunk in here. Do you see this? There's a bookshelf there too that slides back.
Yeah.
It's like 2 doors.
I like it.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah, did you see this?
Oh, wow.
I mean, it's...
Look, you can close that and there's a...
Oh my
so
God,
it
no
definitely
way.
is hidden.
Oh my gosh, it's behind the shelf.
Isn't that cool? Like, go in there. You gotta check that out.
That's pretty stinky. They would love that.
I had the chance to sit in one of these. Hey! These couches are not impressing me.
So we're...
It's just not as deep. Couches, they're not as deep. And I feel like I'm gonna slide right off of them. I'm not impressed. Really not liking these steps. I would much rather have the solid step. Taking a shortcut through the Brinkley Model G 4000. This is the same as their 3500 with 5 extra feet. Look at all this extra space. That's a lot of space. So I'm here with several friends and they are excited about this outside kitchen, Brinkley right here. It's like a toy hauler with this patio right here, but it's not a toy hauler. It's just an outside kitchen sort of. Well, you can't cook out there, but how about that adjustable, like that thing on the bottom? You can totally customize that for how you use it. And you can add stairs to right where you're at. What up, party people?
Oh, that's cool.
Look at how wide this storage is. It's nice. And I'm always interested in getting back here and looking in the...
Got those sliding access doors.
How does everything work? Well, we checked out a few RVs and now we are going to go work our way back up to the concession stand so we can get something to eat. We were going to take an elevator up, but there's a long line just to get an elevator, so we're going to walk up these steps and go get, I don't know, a hot dog maybe? Let's see what kind of options they have for a carnivore that only eats meat. Hey, boo-boo! They didn't have a whole lot of options. I could get a hot dog and then throw away the bun. I could get a hamburger, which apparently came with a beer, maybe, I don't know. I just decided I'll just have some black coffee. I mean, $6.25 for a hot dog where I throw away the bread. Not the worst thing in the world, right? Right? I think I saw somebody famous over here. Let's go see. You can get all the sparkly boots you need right here that goes well with an RV, right? Earrings, necklaces, do all your shopping right here. Good, how are you? like he's in real life. You get a picture and you get the real thing. All right, everybody had some lunch. I had some Black Rifle Coffee Company coffee. Now we're gonna get back to the RV show. What are we going to look at now? Where are we headed?
I think we're gonna go back down there.
Okay.
Finish out.
All right, I saw a Cardinal bunkhouse I want to check out. Just kind of admiring this. It's a little different than what I'm used to seeing. All right, we're just on the hunt. Ronnie and Pam up here in the lead are looking for a new bunkhouse, and so this is kind of a good chance for me to see what they're interested in, and then I can do a review for y'all. With another secret door. I'm bunkering right in the middle. Interesting. This redwood has 2 pass-through storages. I know Tanya would be like, I want this one. Only my art stuff in this one. Of course, Tanya would say, no, excuse me, I want the big ones. I love you, Tanya. Found the RV that I have always wanted to do a review of, so we're about to get this going. Front bunkhouse. Yep, here's a Sandpiper dual suite. Not sure what the FB is supposed to stand for, because it clearly has a front suite and a rear suite, 2 full bathrooms, and a loft. Pretty much everybody's going with this model now. I've reviewed enough of them. To me, they're all the same. What I look for is I look for things that are really unique. I look over here like, okay, we got a bunkhouse. What have they done differently? And that's what I try to go look at. I lost all my friends. Started doing a review and they left me to go look at other RVs. I sure hope I find them again, because I'm 100 miles from the campground.
Just keep going.
That would not be a good situation. I'm sure they won't leave without me. You won't leave without me, right, Justin? Deluxe or mobile suites. These things are really fancy. I don't usually review these because they don't very often have bunks. So we're gonna take a look at this though, just for fun. Look at this little slide here. It's a cable slide, which I'm familiar with. But man, what did they put in that? Oh, hey, it's Bill. Hey, it's Justin. Oh, good. I don't have to walk 100 miles back to the campground. Excellent. A half bath? Is it a laundry room? It's both. Fancy. What is it, locked? It's a dishwasher. Look at that desk over there. Oh, somebody brought a nice Montana.
Right here.
There's no real handle for it?
I'm sure I'm just not grabbing the right place.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, come on in this one. Sheesh, that's heavy.
Yeah.
But it makes me want to like
So
slide out of it too.
the booth over here is a pop-out ottoman that you could then slide over there, which is another Brinkley idea that everybody's copying. Oh, and then it's got a couple little leg things down there to fold out.
That looks like something your daddy would have built.
That's pretty cool. You can get a few extra people sitting in here. Full shower back here. A lot of headspace. Wow, that's a big bed.
It's a solitude. And I was like, in the solitude,
Okay, did you go in that first one where I climbed up here and sat up in that one?
What was the brand of that one?
Wildwood, but I'm 6'3", so.
Oh,
So this is a 3-bedroom model? You found the 3rd bedroom?
Found the 3rd bedroom.
Are you crawling in there, Justin?
Yeah.
I still can't see you though.
he's not there.
There's your head. What up, man? Awesome. All right. We gotta climb up again just to get out of here. Last time we climbed up, we were exhausted. But here we go. We are headed outside. They had a few more RVs outside as we were coming in, and there is a Brinkley bunkhouse out there, 5th wheel, that I want to do a review on. So that's going to be our last stop on our way out of this RV show. Excuse me, RV party. I'm taking another swing here by Jellystone. I don't think my mic was on last time. Hey, boo-boo! So I believe this is the Fredericksburg Jellystone. Not associated with the other Jellystones.
Hi there.
Hi.
We're the Texas Wine Country Jellystone Park location in Fredericksburg.
I know exactly where you are.
Awesome. Do you have an RV?
I do. I live in my RV full time.
Come stay a free night on us at an RV site.
Because those are actually our lots.
Okay. It is almost time to head out of here, but we are just going to go and look at one more RV outside. Had fun talking to the vendors. We are checking out the Brinkley 3110 right now. I'm probably going to do a full review on it real quick, but our friends are smitten with this bunkhouse. So they're all having fun. I'm enjoying. Look at this. This is the first Brinkley I've seen where it's got the north-south bed. I know a lot of people don't like that, but this is what Tanya and I prefer. We prefer having these nightstands on the side, so this is cool. The bunk room's a little small. Our girls probably wouldn't appreciate it too much, but if you ever watch the channel Finding Her Someday, their girls have a bunk room very similar to what this has.
But you can also get to your pantry. Well, no, because this side will be in, so the pantry would be covered.
So we looked at this rig one last time. Hey man.
Hey, how's it going?
I still don't know what to think about this couch, man. After all the time we spent inside, didn't realize there's 100 more RVs out here in the parking lot. Found one of my favorite bunkhouse ones. This thing has got so much room.
This is nuts.
I know. You easily sleep 5 kids in here.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Well, y'all, I like to show off things I've never seen before on an RV, and I don't recall ever seeing a smoker. How cool is that? So you've got the Suburban grill right there, and then it's got the smoker over the top. It does, I think you're supposed to actually take it out. That's what it looks like. So they just include the smoker in the stand and everything and strap it all down and then make it easy for you to take out so you can turn around at the picnic table or whatever. That's my guess. But I've not seen that before. That's cool. I've never really looked too much at a KZ Durango before. That's a unique storage area there. I like that. Take a peek inside. All right, this has got a lot of similarities to our model. TV and a fireplace right there. And then we've got a bunk room. I know this is a nice bunk room. So is this a 2 bathroom, 2 full bath? It sure looks like it. All right, KZ Durango. I need to take y'all more seriously. Let's go look up in the front here. The shower might be a little bit tight for me. All right. Now I've heard some good things from people that live full-time in an RV about this brand, so wish they had a max fan though. Overall though, that's a great floor plan. The fact that it's basically the same RV layout almost as mine, except in this case the girls would have their own shower. I might almost have more room in that shower than the girls do. I mean, over my bed. So I'm not going to do a full tour on this right now, but we will come back. I will look for this and do another review later on. D348BHF from Durango. I'm impressed. I'm going to look more into this. And it comes with a smoker. Everybody in our group has never really looked at the KZ brand before, and they're all kind of falling in love with it. And we're just heard from the rep about, like, what do y'all use for your water pipe connectors? And they said copper, not plastic. So that surprised everybody.
This one's cool.
That's
wow.
But still, dude, they did a good
But yeah, I don't see any bedrooms.
job with the space to make it.
Yeah, that's the only thing is
Oh, but they did
There's
the
no
stupid
bunks.
laundry thing again.
Yep.
but,
65-inch TV though.
Yes.
It's movie night. All right, y'all. There's the friends. There's the Dave. We're tired. We've been here all day. Kind of jealous that Tanya and the girls have been chilling back at the RV. But it is time to head out. There's the at&t Stadium behind me as I walk out. This was a fun time. I can't believe that we totally missed there was 100 more RVs outside. And KZ Durango, brand I've never looked at before. Totally owning that situation. I love it. Totally gonna look more into that. So, all right, I'm gonna close this out. Gonna go to Torchy's and see if there's any options for a carnivore there. See if they'll just sell me some meat. We'll see what happens. But thank you so much for coming along on this vlog and hanging out with us today, looking at some RVs at the DFW RV party. Remember that life happens. Don't let it stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags. Got some meat.